How to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can recover deleted photos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover your deleted photos on iPhone, all you have to do is first of all just make sure to open the Photos app. Let's say while you are browsing through it, you happen to delete some of the photos and some of the videos over here, and now you want to recover them. You still have one chance left, and that is to check the recycle bin or the trash section of your Photos app on iPhone. To do this, after you launch your Photos app, you want to make sure to tap the albums icon from the bottom right. Once you come to the albums tab, you want to scroll down until you get to the section where it says utilities, and under utilities you'll find a section called recently deleted. So all you have to do is just tap the recently deleted button and unlock with your Face ID or whatever else you prefer here. Once you've unlocked them with your Face ID or whatever else, you should be able to find all the photos that you might have deleted in the past, and now you'll also have the option to recover either of these. So if you want to recover a specific one, tap on it, tap the recover button or the delete button depending upon whatever else you prefer over here. And that's it for this video on how you can recover deleted photos on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.